Hi, I'm Jennifer Kolarik. I'm the Career Coordinator for the Perseverance Center, and I wanted to speak a little bit about something that's really important for our students that we work on every day as a Career Coordinator, helping to teach our students perseverance. So my job each day, some things are the same, like helping students develop resumes and references and cover letters, and other times things might not go according to plan, so students might have internships and sometimes they might call in and we have to figure out how can we help problem solve and help that student get to where they need to be for the day. So just like Stephen Shore said, if you've met one person with autism or Asperger's, you've met one person with autism or Asperger's. It's so true of our students. There might be common threads between each student, but yet they're so unique. And so we have to learn to adapt to each individual. So in terms of flexibility and problem solving, one problem I've seen is if a student calls in, or let's say they don't call in, they just miss their ride to their internship. What do we do, right? Do I want to give them an extra 4 hours of video game time? Absolutely not. Not going to happen. So if I feel like they're ready for another challenge, then I had a student who missed his ride. We went ahead and looked up on the computer the bus routes, and we figured out a plan. We made sure he had money. He knew where he was going to go. He actually had to do a bus change, so I had him go to the college, take the bus. When he got on his second bus, call me, let me know you got there, okay? Just like all your parents would do. And then when he got to his designation at his library internship, he called again, and I knew he was there, safe and sound. So he rose to the occasion. It really gave him an opportunity to learn something new, and those opportunities happen every day. And so don't miss out on them. And you know what? Was I thrilled that he missed his internship ride and he was running late? No, absolutely not. But it gave him an opportunity to become independent in his transportation. It gave him an opportunity to communicate with his work site and say, I'm running late, this is how long I'm going to be. And all those are valuable lessons for our students. So definitely don't miss out on those opportunities. Another thing I face often as career coordinator is students who call in sick. Is sick really sick? It's hard to know. Again, those of you who are parents, when your child wakes up and says, oh, I'm sick, I don't feel well, you have to learn to read between the lines. You have to ask questions. You have to find out, is sick really sick? Or are they just overtired and they stayed up late video gaming last night or reading a book? Are they coming down with something that's contagious and they need to get in to see a doctor? You need to find out, are they avoiding something? Maybe something happened at the workplace last week and they didn't tell you. And now they're feeling stressed and nervous and they don't want to go in and face it. So it's just really important to ask them a series of questions to find out what's really going on and then help them develop that perseverance to work through the situation. And yes, if it is something that they're really contagious, don't have them go in, but have them make that call and communicate. Don't just do it for them.